In this video, I'm going to show you how I built this set of bedside tables almost completely out of hardwood pallets. Let's get to it. I had a bunch of old pallets lying around, and I was surprised to discover that they were made of hardwood. I just assumed all pallets were made of cheap pine, but these pallets had lots of good, usable hardwood, so I thought they'd be perfect for my project. I started by milling the pieces for the legs and cross braces. By joining two sides, I could then take them over to the table saw to rip the pieces to the desired width. Then over at the miter saw, I cut the pieces to length, using a stop block to ensure repeatable cuts. For the side faces, I wanted to set them in dados, so I cut those at the router table. The dado on the cross braces could go all the way through, but on the legs I had to drop them down onto the bit and marking where I wanted the dado to begin and end. The side faces were made out of the pallet planks, but they weren't wide enough for what I needed. So after I planed them flat, I glued them together. To reduce the bowing while the glue dried, I weighed the pieces down with paint buckets. I also used this process for the bottom shelves. After the glue was dry, I planed them down again so they would fit snugly in the dados I cut earlier. I cut notches in the shelves so they would fit flush with the outer edges of the table. There were a few pretty big knots that I didn't want to leave open, so I filled them in with Starbond CA glue. I love how fast this stuff works. I decided to go with domino joinery for these tables. I'd never used a domino joiner before, and I can't express enough how much this thing rocks. By cutting your holes a little bit wider than your dominoes, you're able to have a little wiggle room while gluing up just in case you didn't cut them perfectly. They also make dry fitting your piece a breeze. Once I was happy with the dry fit, it's time for the glue up. The only visible part of these tables that aren't made out of pallet wood are the tops. I used 3/4 inch white oak from my local lumber yard. I used biscuit joints in this glue up for added support. I made the drawers with 3/4 inch baltic birch plywood. I cut a dado in the sides for the bottom to slide in, and I used pocket holes to assemble the drawers. Of course, my camera had to cut out on me while I was putting them together, but you get the idea. I tested out a bunch of stains before my wife and I decided on one. I made this test board out of one of the pallet planks so we could make an easy decision. This is a quick way to see how multiple stains will look on your project. We ended up going with Minwax Honey for this build. Once the stain was dry, I sprayed a few coats of polyurethane for a nice finish. I got this spray gun at Harbor Freight for less than $20. The polyurethane I used was Czar Ultra. I really love the look of this finish. Before I installed the drawers, I cut slots with the biscuit joiner so I could attach the top with Z-clips. Now for the drawer install. Installing drawers is one of my least favorite things, but the Craig drawer jig made it a lot easier. Once the drawer slides were installed, I could attach the drawer fronts and the drawer pulls. And then the final step was to attach the top with the Z-clips. And that's the end. I won't waste your time asking you to like the video or subscribe to my channel. I wouldn't even ask you to leave a comment or share this video. I don't care what you do, but if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time.